Now in this class, we will talk about the Minikube and the kubectl. So these two tools are very important for the Kubernetes industry and inside this Kubernetes industry. So before starting the introduction of the Minikube, let me tell you about some idea about what exactly happens in the production environment or in the real world. So in the real world, there will be like many master nodes and the many worker nodes. Just like here you can see in the picture, we have two master nodes and we have different worker nodes, like 3 worker nodes we have currently in this scenario. Okay, but it can be more and it can be less as well. But it will not be easier for us to just create one cluster like this kind of. Suppose like the thing is, the node here refers to what? The node here basically refers to the virtual machine or the physical machine. So if you are learning Kubernetes, for you it's not possible to create those kind of to create the virtual machines inside the cloud in the instances like Amazon EC2 instance, or if you will use Azure, then there is virtual machine. So for you it's not possible to do all those things and create one cluster and everything. Okay, so that's why for the testing purpose and learning purpose, so Minikube came in the role. So what is a Minikube? Minikube is nothing but a single node cluster. Okay, here you can see I have written the definition for you. It's a one node cluster where the master process and worker process both will work on a single machine. So here the single machine means on your particular system. Suppose if you want to, if you're learning on your Windows PC, then you will install the Minikube and then you will go to learn about the Kubernetes. Okay, so here in the Minikube, we are getting this master process, worker process, and also one benefit is that you get Docker pre-installed with that. Okay, so when you will install Minikube, then you will get Docker pre-installed with that. Okay, so also the thing is like for using the Minikube, you should have the virtualization enabled. Okay, it's like compulsory to work virtualization should be enabled. Okay. And also, let's see how it works. So suppose this is your host OS. Host OS can be your Mac or the Windows or the Linux. Okay. And then in that, there will be VM. And after that, there will be the Minikube. Okay. On that, we will install the Minikube. Okay. So this is the overall idea about the Minikube. Okay. So, and now let's see about the kubectl. So kubectl, as you're aware, it's nothing but one of the command line tool which is used to manage the cluster. Okay. So this is the basic definition of the kubectl. So in our upcoming class, they will install the Minikube and all those kubectl in different OS. Okay. So I hope you got it. If you have any query, you can ask us. Thanks. So that's it for today, and I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching.